So thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my journey. And I start my journey around 2002 26 November, my born. And I don't remember my childhood memories only for some childhood memory like 2007. The plot in our village, and so we are very happy. So plot every 3 year, 2 year, and every year flooding coming out of our village. So we are very happy and very surprised to flood. And but others and old people are very concerned,
They were worried.
very like crops are bad, crops are very damaged and something else. But our the childs are very excited to flood is coming. So I bath in flood and went to like very fastest water coming to main now my village in near the Indian Nepal border and main road in Indian Nepal. Indian or Nepal behind this road and very like this is a state highway. But after flood time, road is closed due to flood. We are enjoying the flood in road and bathing the road and field like okay. And after I remember around 2009, so I joined one school. I forgot college school name. This is in Hindi medium government private school, and we study only 4 to 5 years. My grandfather every day leave the college by bicycle and in
He used to bring me.
He
He used to bring me.
used to bring me every day by bicycle and around 2 3 class study. And after some people say please admission also government school like after we 10th class and 12th class very problem to get admission. So we admission in government school also, but I study in private college. And after 3 years, after 2 class, I changed my school and get admission in English medium school. And only I study in 2 years. After some people say my father please prepare your child is good in study, so please prepare to Navodaya school. And I did the English medium school and I prepared Navodaya Vidyalaya preparation. I prepared 1 year in Navodaya Vidyalaya, but my reasoning is good and Hindi also good, but my math is very weak. I don't understand math like something else. So, but not clear in Navodaya school. After around 7 or 8 class, continue studying government school, government राजकीय 10 उच्च विद्यालय बेसपा. And I start in journey. So I don't after admission the government school not talk good student in government school not interesting in study. They also searching us something like any day cricket match. So we are bunking class. I jumped the wall and went to home and enjoyed the cricket match. And after tomorrow went to class. So teacher beat everyone every day in for a stick every day. Like you not able to class after lunch. So every day beat with all those are
Those bunk the class.
bunk the after lunch class. And maybe I am not a good friend in also school life. Only some people, some friends like only for work, only for going to class and sitting here. But sometimes I sitting in last bench also. I only for sitting two bench, only one last and only one front. Like no one anyone know me. But like last bench is blank. No anyone sit here. And first bench, no anyone talk to, like teacher are sound to or sound to not anyone, no anyone talk to anyone. So I'm not a good friend, like only for work, like I go to school by bicycle. So everyone want to my cycle, like Nanaji gifted my cycle in January, like 2016, like my January, and Nanaji gift me bicycle. So my new bicycle, I'm very happy. So by bicycle, so friends are only for my bicycle. And after around 10th class, I passed my 10th and I reached our village, our hometown, and took the admission in senior secondary college, like MJ college. This is a PG college, and also I complete my 12th in this college. Also, this college have a lot of veterans, but we have only two friends, and Priya Chandra Pandey and one Syam Sundar. Those guys very good and very bad. Like every day we are bunk the class and we are joining the coaching class in arts, like uh, history and geography. Join the class, but we don't go any day. And also one TK Kuswaha English coaching, but we don't join English coaching. Like we think like after some time in also school I we think after some time we are get of president in India change the English. Don't use English anywhere, only for Hindi. This is in India, so English is very English is the other other
Continue.
other country language, so we are change the English. Like English is not our state, our in our country language, so we don't like to study in English, but 12th compulsory to pass out in English around 23 marks. So we are going to English class, but without fee. We are buy a membership in library only on 100 rupees. So we are after arts class, so we are going the coaching. Any day coaching also around coaching at 2,200 at 12 in one class, one bed. So any day teacher takes the fees, so we are going to library, but teacher not take the fees, so we are going to study. Also we are sitting in last bench, and we are yeah, because we are going to library, no anyone is studying in library, like we are shouting in library, we are around the everyone, why if I study, who are you, why are you studying? So also sometime before, sometime after some time, some people say this is मतलब like only 6 7 bench in corner in library, like this is room, this is big library and the small library. So everyone say with both of three, you went to this library and I studied this here. Don't to, after without you want to go outside, so go this side. Don't to enter this library. But we are don't care. We enjoy this after some time. Lockdown is coming, and after lockdown, we left our home city and went to village and start playing cricket, TikTok video, and every morning we running. I started running. Like I sleep in room, and also my one village friend and neighbor. So I call her 2 p.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m., 3 a.m. Call him. Release want to बाहर तो सकता है.
Can we go out?
Well, go outside and riverside. So say okay. And 2 a.m., 1 a.m. we are going to outside, and we are returning 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. after river rafting, and we are at sitting in some Ghat around our village. मतलब कि मेरे घर से 4 किलोमीटर.
Cremation ground.
So after around 4 kilometers, one Samsanga in behind the river, like Budi Gandak river, and we are sitting here, and, and after some time, one police like our this near a police station. So on SI Semi, SI Semi, you daily went to running. Yes, this lockdown. I don't care. We don't care. Okay, it's okay. Every after tomorrow, also call me. I also join. So after daily, we are going to our room and say, sir, please come to learning. If he say okay, I we go. I came. And after some time, I took the admission in Maharishi Markandeya Temple University. No, I admission in Bhanda Singh Bahadur Engineering College. But sometime I don't like this, I don't know. But I cancelled the admission and I took the admission Maharishi Markandeya Temple University in BCA. And also my mother want to I leave the home and village. And also I don't want to live village. Some reason I don't like to. And I leave the college and also not good, not a bad in our college life. And after some time, I pass out the college in 2024 in June. And after I also admission in same college in my MCA online and join the job harder. And I wait 15 February 2025. I leave the job and this time I Rozgar and
Employment. Unemployed.
unemployed and find a job.
Clap.